What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new POV video. Now today you join me inside the Golf Mark 8R, all thanks to iCar Gezina. And yeah, we're basically gonna go for a quick POV blast. Do check out their Instagram, which is on screen right now, and I'll also link it down in the description below. So yeah, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So the Mark 8R, this is the latest generation Golf R, and this one in particular has the glorious performance pack, which you get a bunch of interesting stuff with. So I'm currently driving in the full-blown race mode, and I'm gonna go into manual and the whole thing just wakes up. This one doesn't have the Akrapovic exhaust system, so it's the standard exhaust system, but you still get some burbles on the overrun and stuff. Oh, jeez, man, this thing, the way it pulls is literally unbelievable. It is so fast. So while we're navigating around this neighborhood, remember underneath the hood you still have the infamous EA888. This is the Gen 4. So compared to the Mark 7.5, there's a bigger turbo, there's a bigger intercooler, and it makes more power. So it makes 235 kilowatts and 400 Newton meters of torque. That's about 320 horsepower. And the thing that they introduced on the Mark 8s is the limited slip diff at the back. And with the performance pack, you get drift mode. And it's so cool. If I open up the menus, probably not visible on camera, but you have the race mode, you have the drift mode, and you have the special mode, which is the Nürburgring mode. And that's just so cool, man. They've thoroughly worked on this thing. Like, they've done a really great job. Oh man, this thing just takes off. So with the performance pack, you get gloss black mirrors, you get gloss black rims, and you get a big spoiler at the back, which, yeah, that's how you tell it apart from the non-performance pack cars. And it's so cool. All cars get the bigger shift paddles. There's no rev limiter. Even when you rev it out stationary. It's just, they've improved on so many, pretty much a lot of the stuff that we've been complaining about on these platforms. Bit of an underpass ahead. We'll try first gear. And the brakes are so strong on this thing, you can literally lean on them. Ooh, the other thing is, if you leave it in manual mode, I'm not sure if it shifts for you if you hit the red line, but I think, oh, it shifts for you still. That's one thing they still need to get rid of. Oh man, the gearbox is so aggressive when you rev it, when you rev the thing all the way to red line. So I'll try to do a launch control for you guys right now. So ESC needs to be off or in sport. The car needs to be in its sportiest driving mode, and you're good to go. So left foot hard on the brake. It won't engage anymore. Okay, I'll just try it shortly. ESC still off. I'm still in the race mode. Oh, gearbox in sport. I see, just engage gearbox in sport mode. It was a normal drive. Just gonna make a U-turn and go back the other way, because where we are, it's such an inclined road. I'll just find an ideal spot to do the launch control. Let's try it again now. Launch control program active. Oh man, this thing takes off. Oh my goodness. The way it bites is literally insane. Oh my goodness. Jeez, that launch control is so aggressive. Sure, man. This thing is, goodness me, this is such an insane car to drive. This is such an insane car to drive. Oh, see if I can make it pop by the trees. Just do like 1 or 2 more pulls and we'll conclude it right here. Oh. Man, what a car. This thing is, it's so awesome, and they've really worked on it. They really sat down. They've really broken down all the complaints that we've had, and they've worked on it all. But yeah, man, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV video, and until next time, that's cheers from me. I'll do the final pull for you right here.